वेलकम बैक। पाकिस्तान में फ़लस्तीन के डेप्यूटी हेड ऑफ मिशन नादर al-Turk हमारे साथ हैं। इनसे जानते हैं कि जो इनखला के लिए डेडलाइन दी गई है वो इनखला कैसे पॉसिबल हो रहा है और किस तरह की अब हम देखेंगे कि सिचुएशन वहाँ पर डेवलप होगी। थैंक यू सो मच मिस्टर नादर al-Turk फॉर जॉइनिंग अस। आई वुड लाइक टू आस्क दैट एज Israel has given a deadline and we're talking about 1.1 million people moving from north towards south. What is the latest situation there?
Assalamu alaikum. Thanks a lot for giving me the opportunity to speak to my brothers and sisters Pakistani people through your honorable channel. Actually, what is happening in Gaza right now after the warning of Israelis, it has really become more sad. We're getting about 315 shaheed. About 90 of them was children, 107 was women, and they was attacked in the southern area of Gaza Strip, where the Israelis asked the people in the north to shift in to be safe, which means it is like it was kind of a trick to kill more people are without any safe place can cover them. This is what is happening right now. We're getting right now in Palestine, Gaza, more than 2,215 shaheed, 8,714 injured people. Most of them are children and women. Of course, all of them are civilians. We have about 54 shaheed in West Bank, 1,100 injured people in West Bank, which mean all Palestine, we speak about 22% of the historical land of Palestine under Israelis attack, targeting all the civilians.
Oh, okay. All right. So the world is visibly divided on the Israeli-Palestine conflict. But still, what kind of support do you think the international community can give, should give? And if there are any expectations also?
First of all, what we are suffering right now, what is happening on Saturday, was a result of the double standard of the Americans and the Western countries, which are blindly supporting Israel for the longest occupation in the world since 1948 until now, which is we are suffering as a BCM for it. So what we are facing right now, this bloody circle, a circle of blood, circle of violence, actually created by the international society, by the Western countries, which are supporting the Israelis in continue their occupation for other people's land by building more and more settlements, by end the hope for young generation of getting peace and stability, by don't support two-state solution, by end the occupation. But this is the result of their mindedness in how to deal with the Palestinian cause.
Okay, you're absolutely right in saying that, this is a result of what has been happening for years and years, the kind of, what has been inflicted on the Palestinian, the nation over there. I wanted to know that, how do you see the Muslim world responding to this? The Arab countries, are you satisfied with the way they have been moving forward right now in this current conflict?
Or do you? I'm satisfied. We welcome their support, but it is not enough. What is happening on the ground is very extremely madness by the Israelis. The response of the Muslim Ummah until now, it is not equal with what is happening on the ground until now. We are requesting them for getting more, using their power. We don't ask them to create war or violence. We ask them only to put the Israelis, the supporter of Israel, in their criminal action against the Palestinian under pressure. Use diplomacy, use your economic power, your finance power to freeze and to end this madness, which is targeting the civilian people in Gaza. You have the power to do it, use it only.
Okay, you're asking them to use their power to end this, and it's just not about lip service. It has to be
peaceful power. I'm not asking for military power. I request them to use their peaceful power by using their diplomatic relationship, the interest, the economical interest, the financial interest of the Western countries, of the Israelis, to end this madness, to end this double standard, because this only creates more violence, more blood, more victims. We need to end this once forever.
Thank you so much, Nadir al-Turk, Deputy Head of Mission Palestine and Pakistan, for participating on Focus. बिल्कुल सही इन्होंने कहा कि इजिप्ट ने बड़ा अच्छा किरदार अदा किया है कि उन्होंने किसी भी फ़लस्तीनी को, जिनको ये कहा गया कि वो शुमाल से जनूब की तरफ जाएं, उनको वो बॉर्डर क्रॉस करने को इजाज़त नहीं दी, क्योंकि नादर अल-तुर्क साहब ये कहते हैं कि इजराइल ये चाहता है कि एक और बड़ी तादाद के अंदर फ़लस्तीनी रेफ्यूजी इजिप्ट की साइड के ऊपर भेज दिए जाएं। हमें सिर्फ ये चाहिए कि वहाँ पर एक क्रॉसिंग, जो रफ़ा क्रॉसिंग जिसका कि जिक्र मंसूर साहब ने भी किया था, कि कम से कम वो जो एड है, इजिप्ट ने कहा कि इसके थ्रू हम एड ज़रूर प्रोवाइड कर सकते हैं, लेकिन वहाँ से फ़लस्तीनियों का इनखला इसलिए कबूल नहीं होगा क्योंकि वहाँ पर फिर एक रेफ्यूजी का बहुत बड़ा ख़तरा होगा। ये बड़ी अजीब सी बात है कि एक तरफ इजराइल कहता है कि फ़लस्तीनी जो हैं वो सेफ़ रहने के लिए जनूब की तरफ, यानी शुमाली ग़ज़ा से निकल कर जनूब की तरफ जाएँ, और आज हमने देखा कि जिस तरह से जो भी मुमकिन हो रहा है, वो पैदल रास्ते जा रहे हों, जो भी उनके पास अवेलेबिलिटी अब मौजूद है उस मीन्स को यूज़ करके जा रहे थे, तो उनके ऊपर बाकायदा हमला किया गया, जिसके नतीजे में बताया गया कि 70 के करीब लोग जो हैं वो हलाक भी हुए। तो बेसिकली ये साफ नज़र आ रहा है कि इजराइल चाहता है कि जहाँ भी फ़लस्तीनी नज़र आएँ वो उनके ऊपर हमला करे और उनको ख़त्म करे। जैसे नादर अल-तुर्क साहब ये कह रहे थे कि इस मैडनेस को ख़त्म करना होगा, और तमाम तर जो मुस्लिम उम्मा हैं या अरब कंट्रीज़ हैं वो अपने पीसफुल प्रोटेस्ट के ज़रिए, अपनी डिप्लोमेसी के ज़रिए, अपनी इकनॉमिक पावर के ज़रिए अमेरिका को मजबूर करें कि वो इजराइल को कहे कि इस मैडनेस को जो उन्होंने फ़लस्तीनियों के ऊपर इन्फ्लिक्ट की है, इसको फौरी तौर पर रोका जाए। यहाँ पर मैं एक छोटी सी ब्रेक लूँगी। जब ब्रेक से हम वापस आएंगे तो पाकिस्तान में भी सियासी मंजरनामे पर इस वक्त जिस चीज़ पर बहस जारी है उस पर बात होगी।